Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Travels, the place where we break the boundaries of the ordinary. Today's video is exploring 10 places in medieval towns in England, a journey through time. Let's begin and explore the best places in medieval towns in England. Step through the pages of history and into a world of cobblestone streets, timber-framed houses, and tales of knights and castles. England's medieval towns beckon with their charming architecture and centuries-old stories waiting to be discovered. From the grandeur of castles to the intimacy of market squares, these towns are living testaments to a time of knights, minstrels, and chivalry. Join us as we embark on a time-traveling adventure, exploring the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make these medieval towns a treasure trove of historical wonder. Number 10. York. Begin our journey in York, where the towering York Minster presides over narrow lanes and secret snickleways. Stroll along the city walls, imagining the lives of medieval watchmen who once patrolled here, protecting its ancient treasures from marauding invaders. Experience the Jorvik Viking Center, a captivating time capsule transporting you to the bustling streets of Viking-era York, where the past mingles with the present in a vibrant tapestry of culture and trade. Explore the Shambles, a medieval street frozen in time, its overhanging buildings echoing with stories of medieval merchants and shoppers. As you stand before Clifford's Tower, remnants of a medieval castle, contemplate the tales of power struggles, sieges, and royal proclamations that echo through its imposing stone walls. Number 9. Stratford-upon-Avon. Pay homage to the birthplace of William Shakespeare, where half-timbered houses and Tudor architecture provide the backdrop to the world's greatest playwright. Wander streets that inspired his timeless works, and glimpse the essence of medieval England through the bard's eyes. The Royal Shakespeare Theatre, nestled along the banks of the serene River Avon, continues to bring his plays to life, connecting modern audiences with the theatrical traditions of the past. Visit Anne Hathaway's cottage, surrounded by enchanting gardens that bloom with flowers mentioned in his sonnets, and transport yourself to an era when courtly love and sonnets stirred the hearts of the Elizabethan age. Number 8. Canterbury. In Canterbury, visit the majestic Canterbury Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage site that has welcomed pilgrims for centuries. Its awe-inspiring architecture stands as a testament to the devotion and craftsmanship of the medieval era. Immerse yourself in the pilgrim's journey immortalized in Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, a collection of narratives that provide a vivid glimpse into medieval life, complete with colorful characters and tales of humor, morality, and adventure. The cobbled streets and medieval buildings evoke the spirit of the medieval pilgrimage, inviting you to walk in the footsteps of those who sought both physical and spiritual enrichment in this sacred place. Number 7. Chester. Step into Chester's medieval heart, where Roman walls encircle the city and half-timbered buildings house modern shops. The Roman amphitheater, a testament to the city's ancient origins, stands as a striking reminder of the layers of history that intertwine in this remarkable town. Cross the medieval bridge that spans the tranquil River Dee and explore the Rows, an architectural marvel with their unique two-story storefronts, a distinctive feature of this historic city. As you stroll through Grosvenor Park, a lush oasis that contrasts with the surrounding medieval architecture, you'll sense a harmonious blend of the ancient and the modern that defines Chester's unique character. Number 6. Rye. Nestled along the picturesque Sussex coast, Rye transports you to the Middle Ages with its charming cobblestone streets and impeccably preserved medieval buildings. The Mermaid Inn, with its centuries-old charm and cozy corners, whispers tales of smugglers and intrigue that once filled its rooms. Wander through the twisting lanes and let your imagination run wild as you discover the Ypres Tower, a medieval fortress that has silently witnessed centuries of history. The town gateways, such as Landgate and East Cliff Gateway, stand as silent sentinels, welcoming you to a town where the echoes of the past reverberate through every cobblestone and half-timbered facade, turning the present into a bridge to a captivating medieval world. Number 5. Warwick. Journey to the medieval town of Warwick, where the grandeur of its splendid castle dominates the skyline. The castle, with its imposing stone walls and soaring turrets, rises majestically above the town, inviting you to step into a world of knights and nobles, walk the ancient battlements, and explore the dimly lit dungeons, imagining the lives of those who once lived within these walls, guarding their realm with honor and valor. A visit to Warwick Castle is like stepping into the pages of a medieval epic, with its interactive exhibits and live demonstrations transporting you to a time of jousting, chivalry, and courtly intrigue. As you stroll through the charming town center, where medieval and Tudor buildings coexist harmoniously with modern shops and eateries, you'll experience the seamless fusion of past and present that defines Warwick's enduring allure. Number 4. Lincoln. With its striking cathedral and medieval castle, Lincoln's skyline stands as a tangible testament to its rich history. Ascend the steep and winding steep hill to reach the awe-inspiring cathedral, where panoramic views of the town and surrounding countryside reward your ascent. The cathedral's intricate architecture and towering spires tell tales of faith and aspiration that span the centuries. Explore the medieval quarter, where timber-framed buildings house artisan shops, charming cafes, and galleries showcasing the works of contemporary artists inspired by the medieval legacy. The medieval castle, perched atop the hill like a guardian of the past, offers a journey through time as you wander through its walls, baileys, and dungeons, discovering the stories of kings, rebels, and conquerors who have left an indelible mark on Lincoln's historical tapestry. Number 3. Wells. Tucked away in the picturesque county of Somerset, Wells boasts one of the most beautiful cathedrals in England. Its intricate facade, adorned with exquisite sculptures, and its awe-inspiring interiors make it a true medieval masterpiece that continues to captivate visitors with its timeless beauty. Wander through the bustling market square, where the medieval bishop's palace stands as a testament to the town's historical significance and its role as a center of both spiritual and secular power. Visit Vicar's Close, a charming street of medieval residences that has been inhabited by the same choir members for centuries, showcasing the enduring sense of community that has flourished in Wells throughout the ages. As you explore the town's narrow streets and marvel at its historic buildings, you'll find yourself immersed in a sense of timelessness that transcends the centuries. Number 2. Ludlow. Venture into Ludlow's enchanting medieval streets and uncover the treasures of its remarkably preserved castle, perched majestically above the town. This charming market town, with its half-timbered buildings and cobbled lanes, invites you to wander its atmospheric alleys and conjure images of past inhabitants going about their daily lives. The castle, a formidable stronghold that once played a crucial role in the turbulent history of the Marches, offers panoramic views of the rolling countryside that surrounds it, serving as a poignant reminder of the strategic importance it once held. As you stroll through the medieval market square, where local produce and crafts are proudly showcased, you'll feel the echoes of a bygone era when the bustling commerce and close-knit community defined the heart and soul of Ludlow. Number 1. Salisbury. Conclude our captivating journey in the picturesque town of Salisbury, where the magnificent Salisbury Cathedral stands as a resplendent testament to the exquisite craftsmanship of the medieval era. Marvel at the intricate spire that soars skyward, seemingly reaching for the heavens, as you traverse the cathedral close and embrace the serenity that permeates this hallowed ground. Explore the medieval legacy further by visiting the ruins of Old Sarum, an Iron Age hill fort that later became a medieval castle, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once inhabited its ancient walls. As you wander through the medieval streets of Salisbury, the timeless architecture and charming alleys will transport you to an era when knights, clergy, and artisans shaped the destiny of this historic town, leaving an indelible mark on its heritage. That's it. England's medieval towns are more than just collections of old buildings. They're living narratives that transport you to a time of knights, castles, and courtly love. As you stroll through the cobbled streets, admire the half-timbered facades, and explore the ancient landmarks, you'll feel a profound connection to the past. These towns are windows into a world where chivalry and mystery reign supreme, inviting you to become a modern-day pilgrim on a journey through time. Thanks to those who watched until the end of the video. If you want more, you will find videos in the description that you may like. Thank you to those who subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.